So let me add a little bit of context here. Uh, I didn't really do an intro to this video, but I needed to get my injection pump out and the new one in pretty quick, and I had Steven come over and help me with this, and his channel will be in the description. But yeah, we just took this apart, or took that pump off and put the new one on, and got it to the next step, and soon it'll be out there ripping, hauling ass, and shredding tires. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. Okay, so we're finally, it's already a mess, but we're finally, when I say we, Steven's the one actually
Us. It's not just me.
doing stuff, but finally getting this injection pump off so I can send it back to Benzforce. Yeah, we had to take the radiator, the fan, and just too much stuff off. Yeah, just take the motor out next time to get the injection pump off. So anyways, need to get that out and send it to Texas. Of course, we already ran into other problems. We gotta get the cruise control box module thing out to actually get the injection pump out, so that's wonderful. Of course, Steven's here actually doing the work, so
Andrew's filming.
yeah, I'm doing the other work, right?
Hard work.
Yep. Steven just got the injection pump out. Steven just got just got the injection pump out. It's sitting over there. Gonna ship it ASAP. Now we can get the new one that's nearly 3 times the fuel. Put it in there. It's later in the day. The pump is in. Vacuum pump is on for the most part. And yeah, everything's timed. We should be good.
Already woke, spit a joke, barely spoke, rarely smoked, stared at folks when properly provoked, mirror broke, hair share, strawberry morning, dawning, more important, spawning, torn in, poor men sworn in, corners hens, switching positions, auditioning morticians, sword in a visiting or in prison, ignoramuses enlisting, sound dumb, found them, drowned in cow's dung, crowns.
Dude, soon you'll be doing this to your Saab.
Minus mechanical lift pump or injection.
Well, I mean, like, soon you'll be putting 3 times the amount of fuel.
Probably 4.
Jesus.